Do you know you can get your ITI number online even you are not in US? Yes, a lot of people don't believe that they can get their ITI number registered online even without traveling to US. A lot of people think that before you can be able to get ITI number, you need to be an US resident, or you need to be in US, or you need to hire a professional agent. But right now, you can get your ITI number online. Yes, you can get it online. Being in Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, any country you are in the world, you can get your ITI number online. In this video, I'm going to show you legit method and the simplest method which you can do right now and get your ITI number registered with your legal information. And this ITI number will carry all your information. You don't need to have somebody abroad, or you don't need to travel abroad, or you don't need to travel to anywhere. You will be at the comfort of your home and you are going to get your ITIN number registered. In any country you are in the world, you can do this. So come with me, let me show you how you can do this and get your ITIN number registered in anywhere you are in the world. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone and with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go drive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys the legit website which you can start using right now to register your ITI number with your own information. Let's get started.
So let's get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to leave the link to this platform called the ITIN. So go to the description of this video or the comment section, you are going to see the link. When you click on the link, it will bring you to an interface like this. Now, when you look at the interface, it says the ITIN. It says LLC, ITIN, or both. Apply online from Nigeria. So as you can see, if you are in Ghana, it will also show Ghana. If you are from Pakistan or any country you are in the world, it's going to show your country. And from Nigeria, that is why it's showing like this. Now, it says access US banking, launch your store, get paid on platforms like Stripe, Amazon, PayPal from anywhere. So as you can see, so this is ITI number. This is the amount you are going to pay to get your ITI number. Don't worry, I'm going to show you in this video how you can reduce this amount that is $348. I'm going to show you how you are going to reduce it by 50% discount. That means if you use my promo code, they are going to give you 50% discount. That is $50 is going to be minus from this money. Now, the next thing you are going to do, you can decide to read more about this platform. So let's check it out. If you also want LLC or EIN for your business, you can click on this box. But if you only need the TIN number, you cannot click on the box. Now, let's scroll down. Now, when you scroll down, you are going to see it's easier than you thought. So, as you can see, fill out your simple forms on your dashboard, sign up your legal papers, we deliver all you need online, start getting paid by using PayPal, Stripe, banking, etc. You focus on your business, we make you stay in. So, you can just read all this. So now, as you can see, don't have your US company ready yet. So you can read all. You can read, as you can see, it says over 3,000 people from 152 countries have choose us since 2017. As you can see, check other industry leaders below who are our partners. So as you can see, other industry that they are partner with, that they are working together with. So as you can see them here. So reason why having an ITI number essential. So you can read through, you need ITI number for your PayPal, for your Stripe, for your Amazon seller, for your TikTok shop. As you can see, federal income tax filing, opening a US bank account. So you need all this to create all these things. You need this ITI number. So you can also check their review here. When you click on review, you are going to see how people are reviewing about this platform, how this platform have helped them a lot. As you can see, this review was October 7. This is 2025, October 7. And it says, I needed to have an ITIN number. It was not sure whether the ITIN would be good or not, but they were very good, especially thanks to So as you can see for their customer service teams, so you can read more about their review. As you can see, this one was on 9 October. Finally got my ITIN number, more opportunity to make money online. So as you can see, many people have been reviewing about the app. So now let me show you how you can get your own ITIN number. You can also chat them here. All you just have to do is just to tap on this box here. When you tap on this box, as you can see, chat with us. You can chat them. They are online 247, 24 hours they are online. They can also chat with your local language. All you just have to do, just chat them and they will respond to you. Now let me show you how you are going to get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to put your name here. For example, this is my name. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on order now. Now when you click on order now, it's going to take you to an interface like this. As you can see, say born without an SSN, or don't worry, we secure your TIN. So all you have to do is to fill all this information. You put your email address. Make sure you use your own email address, your valid email address, because they are going to send you a message. Now you put your name, everything, your company name, your street, everything. Make sure you put your zip code. You select the state you want to use, everything, your state. You select all your information, and after you successfully select all your information, you can also choose your country. As you can see, you can choose your country here. So if you are from Nigeria, you can choose your country you are. If you are from Nigeria, Pakistan, any country, just choose your country. Then after you fill all your information, you put your payment detail. Now this is where I'm going to show you how you are going to reduce that money with 50% discount. Now as you can see, it says TIN application. That means you are supposed to spend $348, but when you click on I have a promo code like this, and you put my promo code Numpe Flavor TV like this, 50, the way it's showing right now on your screen. As you can see, Numpe Flavor TV 50. Then you click on apply now. Now after you click on apply now, 50% discount is going to be removed from the money you are supposed to spend earlier. Now as you can see, before you are supposed to spend 348, but using my promo code right now, you are supposed to spend 298. So they remove 50% discount for using my promo code. So if you want to get this 50% discount, this free 50% discount from me, just like from me, you need to use my promo code Numpe Flavor TV, just the way it's showing right now on your screen. Now after you use the promo code, you fill all your information. The next thing you are going to do is just to click on complete order. And after you click on complete order, your order is going to be completed, and they are going to chat you, ask you for your information, and make sure you give them your own information. And after you give them your information, they are going to work it out for you and get back to you in few days with your ITIN number. So this is how you can get your ITIN number in Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, in any country you are in the world. You can get your ITIN number with this method. So go and try it out. And if you have tried it, let me know in the comment section of this video. And if you also want to create a PayPal account, you can also use this method and create PayPal account. So make sure you like this video, comment, and also share this video. I want you to comment in the comment section of this video. Comment ITIN number. If this information is so helpful to you, I want you to say yes, this information is so helpful to me. Thank you for watching this video.